mango banana milk smoothie or sweet mango banana milkshake. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the breakfast smoothie recipes and one of the most unique of the mango smoothie recipes and one of the most delicious of the banana smoothie recipes and one of the most different of the milkshake recipes and one of the most unique of the milk recipes. This can be served with ice cubes if necessary. We're going to make sweet mango banana milk smoothie or sweet mango banana milkshake. We've taken around 100 grams of banana cut into pieces and 100 grams of mango, ripe mango, peeled and cut into pieces. Put in 3 spoons of sugar, put in the mango pieces and the banana pieces. Close and grind well. Pour in around 200 ml of milk. Close. Now blend well with the milk. Now the mango banana milkshake is ready and can be poured into the glasses. Now pour the mixture into the glass. Mango banana milk smoothie or mango banana milkshake. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the milk recipes and one of the most unique of the mango recipes and one of the most unique of the smoothie recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the banana recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.